Toilet anxiety is the fear that your body will betray you in public. Not because you're weak, but because a once automatic behaviour has been hijacked by fear. It's not about toilets. It's about a false alarm triggered in a moment when you feel like you can't afford to make a mistake.
You're not afraid of toilets. You're afraid of what your body might do if it doesn't respond the way it used to, calmly, automatically, naturally. It's the fear of being trapped, of being judged, of being overwhelmed by something you can't stop once it starts. When your body stops feeling predictable, you stop trusting it, and that changes everything. You start planning, second-guessing, managing every move, all because something that used to be easy now feels loaded with risk. Soon it's not the event that scares you, it's the anticipation. A small sensation starts the spiral. What if this means I'll need the toilet? The fear becomes self-sustaining. You fear the fear, and that's what keeps the loop alive. What actually changes things isn't being brave or gritting your teeth. It's retraining the signal that's causing the false alarm. When that signal fades, the old patterns come back. You stop watching, stop planning, stop coping, because your body simply goes back to doing what it always knew how to do.
This isn't about toilets. It's about reclaiming the natural behaviour you've lost touch with. When you understand what's really driving the fear, that's when real recovery begins. Subscribe and follow, and when you're ready, I hope you get there.